Hey everyone, Crowbar here. Sorry about that. I was checking out my meat. Tonight in this episode, I plan on doing sirloin wrapped in bacon with Brussels sprouts and gemstone potatoes. I also have Frank's hot sauce. I'm gonna try that out because I'm gonna see if that theory is right that they put that on everything. You know what I mean? I'm gonna do it here in the Galanz microwave, air fryer, convection oven. All 3 in 1. Does popcorn too. This thing does popcorn. Sirloin steak, Black Angus, the best. I gotta get it out of this, put it on that. This, like that. So, wish me luck. All right, so success. I have the sirloins on there. You notice these blue things right there. Those aren't natural color. They'll catch your eyes. That way you don't eat them. It's gonna hold the bacon on, which, whatever. I'm gonna air fry these, see how they turn out. The bison burgers video before turned out really good. So here we go. I'm gonna put these bad boys in there. Shut the door. Hit start. It's air frying. So hopefully it doesn't kick off. I forgot something. I forgot the Irish butter. So the butter's on it. Started it. Hopefully it doesn't kick. Now check this out, guys. Awesome news. I went ahead and got a 3,000 watt power drive, continuous 3,000 watt power inverter. It's not installed yet. Still got a few things to get it installed. But the 2500, it better work tonight, or it's gone. But yeah, we'll show you what they look like when they're done. I set it for 30 minutes, air fry, 30 minutes, just to see. So if I need to add more time, I will. Look at that, folks. Them sirloins, whatever you want to call them, is turning real nice. So I'm thinking that I should have put it in for 45 minutes because I'm down to 18 minutes and 30, well, 27, 18, 24. And I don't think they're anywhere near done. But, oh well. Hey, stick around. I'm going to try this Frank's Red Hot sauce. I'm a Tabasco guy, but I'm going to try this. I'm just going to dump some in my mouth and see what goes on. So as you can see, it's it's still sealed. So, there we go. God damn it. Son of a... Sorry, all you Christian folk out there. I'm Christian too. I didn't mean to cuss like that. Sorry God, I didn't mean to say the GD. Back to opening this. Let's see. Ugh. It smells like smells like a rotten tomato's ass with vinegar. I'm gonna stir it up. I'll take the lid off. I can't breathe. Holy f... Oh. Try this at home. That ain't even hot. Ugh. I had to spit it out. I put that shit on everything my ass. That's horrible. You guys call that hot sauce? I'm gonna show you hot sauce. I'm not even high. I'm not even burning. I'm not even burning. It's terrible. I should have known, but man, my stomach don't feel good. That was nasty. Tabasco. This is the real deal. This is hot sauce. Oh yeah. Didn't sound like I'm I'd rather have Tabasco over that Frank's crap any day. While we're waiting on the steak to cook, and I'm done with my hot sauce fiasco, look at that. That's a potato. It's a purple potato. I'm gonna chew this raw and see what it does in the teeth, Look. Look. Hey, Mom! What if we did it? I think I should edit that out. That's not... I don't taste like a potato at all. Didn't do nothing. Nothing. Alright, I'm done being stupid, y'all. Hey, by the way, I am up to 148 subscribers, so 148 of you guys like seeing what you're seeing, and you like what I'm doing. That is awesome. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I really do. My views are getting up on the videos. I'm getting more likes than normal. Whatever. But man, I am excited that people are actually finding my videos and probably trying to check them out and leaving a like. That is awesome, man. I am so thankful. Thank you guys. Thank you. I mean, I love to cook. I love to drive. Cross country, all over. I'm always busy. Right now we're oversized, like 12 feet 5 wide. I just love it. You know, I love doing what I'm doing, and I'm really excited that 148 of you people likes me. Well, you like me. Thank you. No, I'm kidding. But you like my videos, and I'm really thankful. And you need to stop blowing your smoke up in the damn camera. Oh my God. But thank you. Thank you a lot, guys. I really appreciate it. Now, like I said, let's hit that 500 mark. Get the word out that Cooking with Crowbar is out here, making better meals, living better. Hasn't kicked off yet either. My God, thank you. Thank God, I mean. What was I saying? Oh, yeah, let's remember when we hit the 500 mark, or no, I'm thinking too fast. Oh my God. Frank's hot sauce is nasty shit. Sorry, didn't mean to say that, sorry. Frank's Hot Sauce, it's crap. No wonder you got Romo as your spokesman on your commercial. He sucks as a quarterback too. So anyway, well, he was a quarterback. I keep getting. We get up to 500 subscribers on this channel, I'll calm down. I'm just really excited that you guys know what we're doing. Yeah, especially 148. I don't even have that many friends on my Facebook. Well, I'm getting rid of Facebook soon anyway. Beef Wellington. I'll do a beef Wellington. I'll do it like Gordon Ramsay did. And not only will me and Chris will taste test it, but if I hit that 500 mark, I'll let other people, you know how I do it. I've fed people many times. That's all I do. Okay, whatever. I think it's done. We'll check them out. First, I got to use my little. I swear it's not smoking. So there they are. There's all that grease. So I'll take it out and we'll check them out. So, I mean, they look okay, but yeah, I guess what? No, not done well enough. All right, so like I said, put them back in. The tray doesn't get, it's hot, but it's not to the point to where, oh, it's okay. So hit air fry. And again, the unit is hot. This is warm up here because of the heat rising. And yeah, we're good. All right, I'll go to 375. I had it on 350. So we'll do 375. Another 30 minutes. That'll make it an hour. I don't want my meat cooked. I don't want to get sick out here. We're gonna go. Anyway, so get that done and do the potatoes and the Brussels sprouts. We might get to eat by, I don't know, 9 o'clock. Those cut in half. They're salt and pepper. Got butter on them. The Irish butter. And underneath, I put a plate with this Brussels sprouts, salt and pepper. So the butter will melt on top of the potatoes, cooking into them, I hope, dripping down onto the Brussels sprouts. Because I ain't messing around. It's starting to smell like steak. It smells really good in here. I mean, really good. Can't wait. I had to do that. Hey, listen. I may look like a serious guy or something, but I like to cut up and have fun. So. All right, they're done. I'll just try to. It's too much glare. Look at there. Okay, well. Get my face out of there. Anyway, so I'm gonna, now we're putting in potatoes and the Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna finish that out in 17 minutes. So, 40 minutes, the steaks were done. Here we go. That air fryer is amazing. I gotta wait. I just took a little bite, so we're good. Still cooking. Yeah, so I might get to eat tonight. Oh, I will. I'll get to eat. But, the Brussels sprouts are done. Looks yummy. But however, the potatoes are not, ow, okay. Potatoes are not done, so I'll put them in a little bit longer. Everything else is gonna get cold, whatever. Even though this is a game changer and I really do like this unit, that's what I'm talking about, Galanz. Come out with something where I can cook all my food together as one meal. There's other units out there that does it, but I don't like the brands because I know they burn out. Come up with something, you know? Because why do I need to use the turntable all the time? I mean, that's like a microwave feature. I'm air frying for crying out loud. I don't know. What do I know? Just come out with something. Well, here you have it, guys. Look at that nice little meal. That right there is probably going to be like $12 at a truck stop. Crystal's got her portion too. Looks yummy. Looks really yummy. Alright, so this is what I put on everything. Good old Tabasco. So.
Purple potato's weird.
Yeah. So there we go. Potatoes.
They're good. Brussels sprouts. Amazing.
Are good.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. I'm gonna need that. Excuse me. If you don't have a steak knife, use your pocket knife. Or just do what Crystal's doing.
Yeah, it's good.
But let's see. Yep. So, I'm not gonna have you guys sit here and watch me eat, because then I'll start eating like real petite and all that.
That would be weird.
Yeah. If I offended you about the Frank's Red Hot, too bad. I think that's crap. I really do. I'm sorry.
Smells like crap.
Stay in between your lines and be kind. Until next time. So, see you guys.
I can't wait for that. Here, see ya.
Purple.
I think they're still watching us.
Get out of here.